If you're working in the software industry or starting your career in tech, you are in the right place. Welcome to my channel. When I started my career as an ETL tester, I had no clear guidance. Every conversation felt overwhelming, and technical jargon often confused me. I had seniors who helped me by taking time out of their busy schedules, but understanding it fully wasn't always easy. Slowly, I realized that asking for help, observing how experienced people work, and learning to communicate effectively were the things that truly shaped my growth. Over the years, I have grown from a fresh ETL tester to a senior data test lead with over a decade of experience. I have worked across multiple domains, led teams, and solved complex data testing challenges. And through all this, one thing became clear: career growth is not just about working hard, it's about learning smart, asking for guidance, and applying it effectively. This channel exists to share those lessons with you. Whether you are a fresher trying to understand how to grow in tech, someone preparing for SQL or data testing interviews, or an experienced professional looking to level up, you will find practical advice here. I will share real life experiences, tips for handling projects, insights on leadership, confidence building strategies, and step by step guidance to solve common challenges in software careers. You don't need to figure out everything out on your own. Observing, asking the right questions, and learning from others' experience can accelerate your growth tremendously. My goal is to make those lessons accessible, actionable, and easy to apply in your career. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who needs this and follow for more career insights.